Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is jam cookies. Yummy, easy recipe. Easy to follow and yummy to eat. Let's begin with our recipe today. I'm going to put powdered sugar and butter at room temperature. Whip this up to light and fluffy. I'm going to add in vanilla essence. Just going to blend this up. I'm going to mix in the powdered cashew and the flour. I'll add in the mixed flour. I'm mixing it a bit so that it won't splash on my face. I just want this to get mixed well. So I'm done with this. To make it into equal size, I've taken the tablespoon and make it into round balls like this and place and just make a dip in the center. We'll finish the making of cookies by filling in into equal measure. To fill in the jam, a simple trick. I'm going to use a polythene bag. Fill in the jam. You can even use the piping bag. Just cut the tip. Squeeze in the jam into the cookie dough. Now this is ready to go in for baking with a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. The cookies are baked and it looks yum and tempting. I'm going to rest them on a wired rack for some time, trying to keep it away from the children for some time. I can handle this temperature. Otherwise, make sure you handle it with a spatula. I'll allow this to cool. Now this is cool enough. Ready to serve. Jam cookies, yummy and ready to eat. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have not done still, do it right.